In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendars for productivity phone. By the end, you'll have a clean, color-coded system, smart defaults, and routines that run themselves, so your day on mobile and desktop feels effortless. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the web, look at the left panel and tap the plus icon next to other calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make a few clear categories, such as work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health, and give each one a distinct color. Bright, contrasting colors help you recognize priorities at a glance, and you can toggle calendars on or off to focus. This visual separation is what makes a busy week instantly understandable. Next, go into Settings, then Event Settings, and set your defaults. Choose a typical event length like 30 or 60 minutes, so new entries are the right size automatically. Add 2 reminders, one about an hour ahead to prepare, and another 10 minutes before to switch contexts. Pick notification types you'll actually notice, whether that's device notifications or email. With these in place, you reduce the chance of missed tasks and last-minute scrambles. Now time block your day. Instead of a loose to-do list, place intentional blocks on your calendar, perhaps 8 to 9 a.m. for admin, 9 to 11 for deep work, early afternoon for client calls, and late afternoon for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If plans shift, drag and resize rather than deleting. That way, work still has a home on your schedule. Use recurring events to automate your routine. Open an event, set it to repeat, and schedule staples like a weekly planning session on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym times. Recurrence builds consistency without extra effort, and you can set an end date or edit single instances when life changes. Protect your attention with focus time and goals. Add focus time so your availability is limited during deep work windows, and use out of office to automatically decline meetings when you're unavailable. If you track tasks, attach them to specific days using tasks integration so your action items live alongside your schedule. Make sure everything syncs across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone. Turn on notifications. Connect your Gmail so invites convert into events. And link your Zoom or Google Meet accounts for instant meeting details. Using the same Google account everywhere keeps it seamless. Finally, write rich event descriptions. Add an agenda, notes, relevant links like video calls or documents, and a brief checklist. Keeping context inside the event means everything you need is in one place, searchable, and ready when the reminder pings.